Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from a viewer here. How to make a woman place into red color organic shape. So now let's go to Canva. I will choose print and flyer, and then I will go to element and add a square. I will make it fit to page, and then I will add a fashion model here. I'll choose this one and remove the background. Now I will add some blob element like this one, and I will place it here. And then the other one, I will place it in the bottom. I will increase the size more, and then select the model and send it to front. Now let's duplicate this page. On the page 2, remove the model and then change the color of this blob to white, and this one also to white. And then I will add a circle. I will change it to white, and I will paste here as an ornament. All right. Now click anywhere and then click position, click layers, and then select all these elements. All right, and reduce the size. Place it in the center. So you see here the background must be the same color like this element, this blob and circle. Okay, and then download it as PNG, page 2 only. Now go back to page 1 and click here and click position, layers, and then remove these 3 elements, the blob and the rectangle, and then upload the PNG of page 2 here. I will increase the size, and then I will remove the background, I mean the white colors. Okay, now go to edit. We will add a shadow and just drop, and then I will increase the blur amount and reduce the intensity so the shadow is not too dark. Okay, and then adjust the size of this frame. Okay, and then I will go to edit and choose dual tone. I will change the frame to white color. So click custom and click the highlight. Change it to totally white. You can see the hex code here. And the shadow also totally white. And then add a square in white color. And I will cover or area outside the frame with this white color, so this shadow won't be appear. Okay, duplicate, place it here. Now go to position and select the model, and then duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin, and then crop it like this. Now select these 3 elements, and then increase the size so the edge of the leg is touch the bottom of this page, and then adjust the right and left position. Okay, I think it's enough. The fun factor of this method is you can change the color of the background. Click here, and then you can change it to a simple gradient like this, or a colorful and season theme gradient. Okay, and then add the logo of the fashion house. You can place it here or the place that you want. So this is the tutorial. If you like this video, please share the link to your social media. See you next video and have fun with Canva.